Good morning, everyone. I'm excited to welcome you all today this session on Microsoft Copilot Studio. Yeah, and I'm a machine learning engineer role and passionate about exploring AI technologies like Microsoft Copilot Studio that are transforming the tech world. So today's session is all about learning how Microsoft Copilot Studio. So it is bringing AI-powered assistance right into developed workflows, helping us writing code faster, solve complex problems, and make software development more intuitive, right? So I want to know and I gathered some information about the Microsoft Copilot Studio. Okay, so guys, I will share my screen. So this is the actually Bing AI tool. So you know about this Bing AI tool. It provides all content like technology, articles, new articles, and it summarizes all. So I want to share something. Wait, all are using like it's a AI tool, so it's give everything, every content, but it's not we use like that. So don't share about this plugins. So no one don't know about plugins. So here plugins means it's especially created for AI. Okay, so yeah, it's only created for AI, right? It enables all things like search, Instacart, Kayak. So it shows like this phone, shop, etc. So actually, it insulates the AI from having to understand all the details of external system and allows all agents to operate at high level of abstraction. And it has some building blocks. The main building blocks of plugins is nothing but conversational plugin and plugin action. So coming to the part of conversational plugin, it is used to extend the Microsoft Copilot. Okay, it extends the Microsoft Copilot, and it doesn't support any type of text formatting or multi-turn interactions or and the second one is plugin action. Plugin action means its single plugin action can be used for multiple topics. So at the time we can raise the multiple topics or we can concentrate multiple topics. And the second one is single node handles both input and output. If you is there any situation like you have input and output, it analyzes the content and it gives the efficient solution, right? So these are the two building blocks of plugins. And the next one is okay, we know about plugins. How we can create the plugins? The plugins can be only created by sophisticated connectors, sophisticated logic wires and connectors. For example, let me show. I can, if I want to create a Google form. uh, Create a Google form. So I can ask it. So please give me some ideas on that. Give me. So just look like this. It gives some ideas. So you have to select one, or else you can ask give the best one. They will also give. Now see the result what they give. So see the first one, choose your response destination. So it gives they give priority to us first. So first of all they said that you have to choose, then I will give the response. So you can choose anyone, like use response validation. Now they will give topic on this. So first of all, we have to create the text validation, customer error messages, validation criteria, setting up validation. The last one is example. So this is the content of the plugins, right? So this it it can be provide content. Why? By using the plugins, they will provide the content, right? So plugins is the major role. Plugins plays major role in the Copilot Studio. Now I ask that please give me some question and answers. So they will make it. Yeah, it will make it on Harry Potter. And the second was know your personality quiz, like that. If you want a specific topic, if you have any questions, they will also make it. If I want some questions on machine learning, it machine learning questions they will give.